Have you ever wondered why your grandparents always soaked almonds overnight before eating them? Was it just a tradition? Or is there real science behind it? Well, modern research actually confirms that soaking nuts and seeds changes their nutritional power in ways you can't ignore. Welcome back to the Mindhunters, where we decode health secrets with science and simplicity. Today, let's uncover what really happens inside your body when you eat soaked nuts and seeds every single day. Raw nuts and seeds naturally contain compounds called phytic acid and enzyme inhibitors. These protect the seed in nature, but in our body, they can block the absorption of minerals like zinc, calcium, and iron. When you soak them in water, these compounds break down, making nutrients more available and easier to digest. Think of soaking as giving nuts and seeds a gentle wake-up call. The water triggers the early stage of germination, activating enzymes that break down complex starches and proteins. This means your body doesn't have to work as hard to digest them. You get smoother digestion and less bloating. Soaked nuts and seeds provide higher bioavailability of vitamins and minerals. For example, soaked almonds have more accessible vitamin E and antioxidants. Soaked flax seeds and chia release beneficial omega-3 fatty acids more efficiently. Pumpkin and sunflower seeds give you a better boost of zinc and magnesium. In short, soaking unlocks hidden nutrition that your body might otherwise miss. Eating soaked nuts and seeds daily provides soluble fiber that feeds your gut bacteria. But with reduced enzyme inhibitors, your digestion feels lighter. Many people notice less acidity, reduced constipation, and better energy throughout the day. Now, let's discuss how to soak them the right way. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, 6 to 8 hours overnight. Chia and flax seeds, just 20 to 30 minutes in water. They form a gel. Pumpkin, sunflower, sesame seeds, 2-4 hours. Always rinse them well before eating to wash away the released anti-nutrients. Now let's discuss the daily benefits of eating soaked nuts. First, you start to feel more energy, as nutrients are absorbed better. You get stronger bones and immunity from minerals like calcium, zinc, and magnesium. Soaked seeds offer sharper brain function, thanks to healthy fats becoming more available. So next time you grab a handful of nuts or seeds, try soaking them first. It's a small step with a big impact on your health. Have you been soaking your nuts and seeds already, or will you start from today? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoy videos that blend ancient wisdom with modern science, consider joining our channel memberships for exclusive health tips. The link is pinned in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe before you leave. Thanks for watching.